the other thing that we hear over and over again is, hospitals that don't make this adjustment to really thinking about the consumer, putting the consumer first, they're going to fail because they can't distinguish themselves on just, on just care alone. That there's going to be a lot of different outlets for care. Um, so, I mean, do you think that's going to happen? Do you think there is going to be eventually this consumer move, the ability for the consumer to actually make the decision and choose a direction, and that will start to put more pressure on health systems to be consumer centric?
I think consumer centrism is really important because the consumers make the choices about where they go for their care. And yet, New York Presbyterian is built on a foundation of quality for many years. And through our partners, Weill Cornell and Columbia, and our history dating back to 1771, we've been focused on the long-term development of care, the research of outstanding delivery of care, and then the ways to deliver that care in unique ways that contribute to the outcome of patients. I think that being consumer-focused is something that you can do with intensity over a couple of years and build a lot of consumer-centric focus. And yet, if you don't have the quality statistics to back it up, the history of care and the infrastructure for delivering care day in and day out, it's not sustainable. I think that we've done a nice job of putting the tools in place to make it easy for patients to get our care. Our telemedicine, our artificial intelligence tools, our ability to schedule appointments really easily through Columbia or New York Presbyterian Medical Group or Weill Cornell. But it's the long-term quality of the care we deliver that's more important than any of that.
Yeah, absolutely. And I'm just reminded of the old adage, it's the number one thing in a restaurant is the food. So the product for us is quality healthcare at its highest level. And at the end of the day, you can put all the digital tools around it. You can put, and you should make the experience better for the patient. There should be more convenience. The cost should be competitive and affordable. All those things are important. But at the end of the day, when people seek out a health system, a provider, what they want to make sure is that they're going to get the best care they can possibly get. And that's what we bring to the market. And it will continue to be those that can deliver at that highest level that are going to succeed.